If you're tired of finding dog hair embedded in every crevice of your car seats, you're not alone. Pet hair is notoriously stubborn, and regular vacuums just don't cut it. But I've tested dozens of car vacuums specifically designed to tackle pet hair, and today I'm sharing the 5 best car vacuum cleaners for pet hair options that actually work. Some are budget-friendly, others pack premium features, but all of them will transform your fur-filled car into a clean sanctuary. Let's dive in. Starting strong at number 1 is the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Handheld. What sets this apart is the motorized brush tool that's specifically engineered for pet owners. We're not talking about a basic attachment here. This is a dedicated motorized brush that actively lifts and removes embedded pet hair from upholstery, carpet, and even those annoying fabric car seats where fur seems to weave itself into the material. The 14-volt lithium-ion battery gives you about 14 to 19 minutes of runtime, which is plenty for most car cleaning sessions. The dirt bin is a generous 0.7 liters, so you're not constantly stopping to empty it mid-clean. And here's something I really appreciate. The triple-level filtration system doesn't just suck up hair, it captures allergens and dander too, which is crucial if you've got allergies. It comes with 3 specialized tools: the motorized brush for deep cleaning, an upholstery tool for furniture and seats, and a crevice tool for those tight spots between seats. The brush roll is removable, making maintenance super easy when hair inevitably wraps around it. Now, the one thing to consider, at around $80 to $100, it's definitely a mid-range investment. If you're on a tight budget, this might feel steep. But if you're serious about keeping your car fur-free and you clean frequently, this is worth every penny. It's also been recognized with Best Overall awards from multiple testing organizations, so you're getting proven performance here. Coming in at number 2 is the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus cordless hand vacuum. What makes this vacuum stand out is the self-cleaning pet power brush. Let me explain why that's a game changer. Traditional vacuum brushes get tangled with hair constantly, forcing you to stop and cut away the mess with scissors. Shark's self-cleaning brush eliminates that problem entirely. Hair doesn't wrap around the brush roll, which means uninterrupted cleaning and way less maintenance. The dual cyclonic air streams create incredibly powerful suction that doesn't fade as the dustbin fills up. At just 2.8 pounds, this is one of the lightest vacuums on the list, making it super easy to maneuver around your car interior. The slim crevice tool deserves special mention. It's designed to reach those impossibly tight spaces in your car that most vacuums can't access, like the gap between the seat and center console. You get about 15 minutes of runtime, and the Clean Touch dirt ejector means you never have to touch the debris when emptying. Just press a button and everything drops out cleanly. The XL dust cup is larger than most competitors, so you can tackle bigger messes without interruption. The consideration here is it's priced between $90 and $120, putting it in the premium category. Also, while 15 minutes is sufficient for most cars, if you've got a large SUV with third-row seating covered in pet hair, you might need to recharge midway through. But for the average sedan or crossover, this is absolute perfection. At number 3, we've got the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld. With just a push of a button, you get 4 times more suction power for those really stubborn messes. Found a patch of dried mud mixed with dog hair ground into your floor mats? Hit that power boost button and watch it disappear. The anti-tangled rubber bristles on the motorized pet brush are ingenious. Unlike traditional nylon bristles that trap hair, these rubber bristles actively repel pet hair, making cleanup far easier. The 20-volt battery system delivers up to 145% more runtime compared to leading competitors, which translates to longer cleaning sessions without constantly recharging. The dustbin is an impressive 750 millimeters. That's one of the largest capacities you'll find in a handheld vacuum. The one-touch easy empty feature means you literally just pop open the bottom and everything falls out without you having to dig around inside. The washable filter is another cost saver. You'll never need to buy replacement filters. Just rinse it underwater, let it dry, and you're good to go. The thing to consider is this vacuum is priced between $90 and $130, and it's a bit bulkier than some competitors. If you've got a smaller car or limited storage space, the size might be something to think about. But the trade-off is that larger size means more power, bigger dust bin and longer runtime. For pet owners with heavy-duty cleaning needs, this is an excellent choice. Number 4 brings us to the CKIH Handheld Vacuum. The 15,000 PA suction with a 72,000 RPM motor is absolutely no joke. This vacuum generates cyclonic action that not only provides powerful suction, but also keeps the filter cleaner for longer, maintaining consistent performance over time. The battery life is impressive. A high-capacity 7,800 mAh battery delivers up to 30 minutes of continuous runtime. That's enough to clean multiple vehicles or do a thorough deep clean of your entire car interior without rushing. The USB-C charging is modern and convenient, taking only 3.5 hours for a full charge. You can charge it at home, in your car, or even with a power bank on the go. The dual filtration system includes 2 replaceable HEPA filters and 1 washable metal filter. This setup minimizes suction loss from dust clogging, which is a common problem with cheaper vacuums. You get a comprehensive attachment kit too: a long suction nozzle for deep reach, a brush nozzle for delicate surfaces, and an extended hose for maximum flexibility. At $40 to $60, this represents excellent value. The 400 milliliter dust bin is decent sized, and the easy-to-empty design means quick disposal without mess. Here's the consideration. While the suction is powerful, it doesn't include a motorized brush specifically for pet hair like the top 3 options. You'll rely on the brush nozzle attachment, which works well, but requires a bit more effort on heavily embedded fur. But for the price point, you're getting fantastic performance. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers professional-level cleaning, this is your winner. Rounding out our number 5 is the Bossdan Handheld Vacuum. Don't let the lower price fool you. The 8 kPa suction easily handles crumbs, pet hair, and dust from car seats and trunks. Real-world testing consistently shows this vacuum punching well above its weight class. The standout feature here is the weight, or lack thereof. At just 1.7 pounds, this is incredibly lightweight. You can clean ceilings, reach into tight spots, and maneuver with one hand without any fatigue. The 25-minute runtime is generous for this price range, giving you plenty of time to tackle thorough cleaning jobs. The washable HEPA filter is a nice touch at this price point. No ongoing costs for replacements. The USB-C charging cable is cleverly stored inside the crevice nozzle, so you'll never lose it. Battery indicator lights keep you informed, and the safety feature requires you to press and hold for 2 seconds to activate, preventing accidental starts in your trunk or storage. The consideration is at 8 kPa, the suction is noticeably less powerful than the higher-priced options. For light to moderate pet hair, it works great, but if you've got heavy shedding breed and deeply embedded fur in your upholstery, you'll need to make multiple passes. Also, there's no motorized brush tool, so you're relying on suction and manual brushing. But here's the thing, at just $30 to $50, this is an absolute steal. It's perfect for regular maintenance cleaning, for people with light-shedding pets, or as a secondary vacuum to keep in your car for quick cleanups. The 24-hour customer support is also reassuring at this price point. That wraps up our top 5 car vacuums for pet hair. Each of these has been thoroughly tested and validated by thousands of satisfied pet owners. Thanks for watching. Happy cleaning.